Welcome to Long Island, New York, a place where beauty, history, and luxury collide. Have you ever wondered what $2.3 million can get you here? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the world of million-dollar homes and all the perks that come with them. From stunning waterfront views to spacious estates, we'll show you what makes these homes worth every penny. Let's get started. 1. Overview of Long Island. Long Island offers a rich tapestry of communities, seamlessly blending vibrant urban environments with serene, picturesque towns. With a $2.3 million budget, you can secure extraordinary luxury, ranging from expansive waterfront estates to charming historic homes. Nassau and Suffolk counties each provide their own unique amenities and character, all within convenient reach of New York City's cultural and professional opportunities. Whether you're attracted to the dynamic energy of city-adjacent neighborhoods or the tranquil allure of more secluded areas, Long Island delivers an unparalleled living experience. The region's diverse offerings cater to every lifestyle preference, ensuring an exceptional quality of life that's perfectly tailored to your desires. 2. Beachfront Bliss. First up, let's explore a stunning beachfront property in the Hamptons. For $2.3 million, you're not just purchasing a home, you're investing in a lifestyle. Imagine starting your day with the soothing sound of waves and the invigorating scent of sea air. This residence boasts direct access to a pristine private beach, ideal for invigorating morning swims or cozy sunset bonfires. Inside, the home features 5 generously sized bedrooms and 4 luxurious bathrooms. Floor-to-ceiling windows throughout ensure an abundance of natural light and spectacular views. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with sleek granite countertops and high-end appliances, making it perfect for hosting memorable gatherings. The outdoor space is equally impressive, featuring a private pool, meticulously maintained gardens, and a spacious patio designed for effortless summer BBQs. This property is the epitome of luxury, offering a seamless blend of opulent living and natural beauty. 3. Suburban sophistication. Next, let's explore Garden City, one of Long Island's most coveted suburban neighborhoods. For $2.3 million, you can acquire an exquisite 5-bedroom colonial-style estate, designed for families who value both space and sophistication. Upon entering, you're greeted by a grand foyer with soaring ceilings and an elegant sweeping staircase, setting the tone for the home's blend of modern design and classic charm. The formal dining room is perfect for hosting sophisticated dinner parties, while the cozy family room, complete with a fireplace, provides a warm and inviting retreat during those chilly New York winters. Outside, the property features a spacious backyard, offering ample opportunities to create a lush garden, add a sports court, or provide a safe and enjoyable play area for children. With top-rated schools just a short distance away, this home is an ideal choice for families seeking comfort, luxury, and a strong sense of community. Garden City's blend of high-quality living and family-friendly amenities makes this estate a remarkable find in the heart of Long Island's suburban elegance. 4. Modern luxury in Nassau County. Let's shift gears and explore a strikingly modern home in the heart of Nassau County. Priced at $2.3 million, this cutting-edge property epitomizes minimalist design and advanced technology. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom marvel is equipped with smart home technology, allowing you to effortlessly manage lighting, climate, and security with a simple touch. The design features clean lines and sophisticated elegance, creating a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living spaces. The backyard is an entertainer's dream, featuring a sleek fire pit, a fully equipped outdoor kitchen, and a minimalist pool that integrates harmoniously with the surroundings. Whether you're unwinding after a busy day or hosting stylish gatherings, this space is perfect for both relaxation and entertainment. With a nearby train station, commuting to New York City is incredibly convenient, making this home the ideal blend of modern luxury and practical accessibility. This property offers not just a home, but a lifestyle, combining cutting-edge design with effortless convenience. 5. What makes these homes worth $2.3 million? So, what justifies the $2.3 million price tag on these homes? It's far more than just square footage or the number of bedrooms. It's the exceptional combination of location, lifestyle, and meticulous craftsmanship that makes these properties truly stand out. Each home showcases bespoke finishes, stunning architecture, and breathtaking views that transform everyday living into an extraordinary experience. These properties are meticulously designed to offer the utmost in luxury and comfort, reflecting a commitment to both elegance and functionality. Living on Long Island adds unparalleled value to these homes. The region offers access to top-rated schools, exclusive shopping venues, and pristine beaches, enhancing the appeal and convenience of daily life. The proximity to New York City provides a unique blend of urban excitement and suburban serenity, allowing residents to enjoy the best of both worlds. Beyond the physical attributes, these homes offer a comprehensive, luxurious lifestyle that caters to every need, and desired and prime location ensures that these homes are not just residences, but a gateway to a distinguished and enriched lifestyle. 6. Long Island's unique appeal. Long Island offers much more than its luxurious homes. It's a region brimming with history, culture, and community. From savoring fresh seafood at local eateries to relaxing on sunlit beaches or exploring charming small towns, the island is always bustling with life. For those considering relocation, Long Island seamlessly blends urban convenience with suburban tranquility. You're never far from the vibrancy of New York City, yet you're also close to serene nature, expansive parks, and a more relaxed pace of life. This unique balance of excitement and calm makes Long Island an ideal destination for families, retirees, and anyone seeking a high-quality lifestyle. The region's rich tapestry of attractions, from its historic sites to its dynamic cultural scene, combined with its welcoming atmosphere, creates a truly exceptional place to call home. Whether you're looking for vibrant community activities or peaceful retreats, Long Island provides a versatile and fulfilling living experience. So, what's worth $2.3 million on Long Island? The answer is a lifestyle filled with luxury, comfort, and endless opportunities for adventure. Whether you're looking for a beachfront escape, a family-friendly estate, or a modern masterpiece, Long Island has something for everyone. Thanks for joining us on this tour of million-dollar homes on Long Island. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more luxury home tours and real estate insights. Until next time.